Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad out of a can full guide. Grab a can of chicken, mayo, celery, and a fork, and drain the liquid before mixing. I'll walk you through seasoning, texture tips, and quick variations to suit sandwiches, salads, or crackers. You'll learn how to balance salt, acid, and crunch, store leftovers safely, and boost flavor with simple pantry ingredients. Start by draining 1 can of chicken and flaking it gently with a fork to control texture. Measure mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper, and prepare crunchy mix-ins like chopped celery or pickles. I'll explain how to swap mayo for yogurt, add herbs, or use lemon juice for brightness, and I'll give simple portion tips for sandwiches and salads so you can make this quickly for lunches or picnics very easily. Try classic mayo-based, curry-spiced, or avocado creamy variations to change flavor with basic pantry items. Mix in grapes, apples, nuts, or herbs to adjust sweetness, texture, and crunch according to preference. I'll show warming tips for toasted sandwiches, serving suggestions for wraps and green salads, and how to scale recipes using cans and simple measurements so you can prep meals for one or for a small group with minimal fuss today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.